The Harvard Business School MBA application for the 2025 intake is available. There are new updates that you should know about. So the first is the deadlines for the HPS MBA applications. The first round of applications is due on 4th of September 2024, and the second round of applications will be due on 6th January 25. So make sure that you have these two dates marked in your calendar and plan your applications accordingly. The essay topics for the Harvard Business School MBA application have changed this time. There are three essay topics that you have to address, and the word limits are really short. So you think about it, think well about the essay topics, think introspect well, and then start penning down your essays. The first essay that you have to write about is about the business minded essay. Over here you have to reflect on how your experiences have influenced your career choices and the impact that you want to make or you will have on businesses, organizations, and communities around you. So this is the first essay that you need to write for the HPS MBA application this year, and the word limit for this is 300 words. The second essay that you have to write is the leadership focused essay. Now, this in this essay, in 250 words, you need to talk about what experiences have shaped who you are. So, this is about you, how you invest in others, and what kind of a leader do you want to become. So, this is the second essay for the Harvard Business School application. The third essay for the HPS application this year is the growth oriented essay. In about 250 words, you need to share an example of how you have demonstrated curiosity and how that has influenced your growth. So, as an MBA applicant, it is important for you to reflect on your experiences and make sure which experiences will fit into which essay topics this year. If you are someone who is applying through the GMAT Focus Edition score to the Harvard MBA, then at the interview stage, you might be contacted to write a separate GMAT business writing assessment. If you're submitting the GMAT Focus Edition score for your HBS application, then this is an additional assignment that you should also plan to write if you come to the interview stage. Coming to the HBS class of 2025, the class profile is as follows. The class size is around 938, and the number of applicants this year were around 8149 for the class of 2025. The average GPA in class is 3.73, and the average work experience in class is around 4.9 years. The GRE average scores, whenever you're looking at your GRE or your GMAT average scores for the international applications, make sure that you have checked what are the averages that the schools have laid out. If they have given out the averages with respect to the quant and the verbal scores separately, then both of these averages become important for you, not just the overall score. So the GRE average quant score is around 163, and the same is applicable for the verbal average. The GMAT overall average score was around 740. However, the median verbal score was 42 and the median quant score was 49. So this is a important benchmark for you to be able to decide whether your GMAT or your GRE scores will fall within the range for what the Harvard MBA application will look for apart from other things. So the first round deadline for the HPS application is due very soon, and you must be applying to multiple round one applications. So in case you need any assistance with your essays or in terms of your interview preparation or anything on the application as such, feel free to get in touch with us. Do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel for more updates. Have a good day.